Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to block internet access to a specific app in Windows. This is a great way to control your internet usage and prevent distractions. For example, I want to block internet access for Google Chrome browser only. So I'll show you first internet is working or not in my PC using through Chrome Little Browser. Yes, it's working. Now stop the internet access Chrome browser. First, open up the Windows Defender firewall. You can do this by searching for it in the Start menu. Next, click on Advanced Settings and then Outbound Rules. In the left side Options, click New Rule at the right side of Options for creating rule for block internet spec-fic app, and select Program as the rule type. Then click Next. Browse for the app that you want to block internet access. And select it. Then click Next. Select Block the connection and click Next. Make sure all three boxes are checked and click Next. Name your rule for finding easily and add a description if you want. Then click Finish.
Brilliant minds push the limits of what we thought was possible.
And that's it. You have successfully blocked internet access to a specific app in Windows. Now checking time. Rule was working or not? Of course it's working. You can see internet is blocked. For Chrome browser only. If you want to unblock Chrome browser, then go to same previous firewall settings. Then choose the rule, select Deactivate or Delete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.